Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Uju. Today we'll be learning about a search operator which is like operator. So like operator search for a pattern in a text. So in SQL, in order to build a pattern, we have like two special characters. We have percentage and the number two is underscore. So in percentage, if you use percentage, you are saying like anything. For instance, in the name Joy, if you are looking for the letter O, you know letter O is in the middle. So if you are looking for letter O and you use percentage from the beginning, then you now put O, then put percentage, then close your quote. It means that anything can come before the O and anything can come after the O, but let there be O in the text that you are looking for. So it means that we are looking for a particular letter in a text. Like if you write the name Uju and you are looking for J, so it means that anything can come which is U before the J and anything can come after the J which is another U. That is percentage. So and remember, like we said earlier, we said that SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Structured Query Language. And it's a language we use to communicate with the database. So here, there's a task I want us to do. I want us to find all customers whose first name contains R. So here, remember we said that customer is a table under this my database. So it is a table. So here we will select all from customers. Customers. Customers is the table. So select all from customers. So here we will select all the people in customers table. So when we select it now, we'll look at the names that contains R. Then we'll now execute it. So right now, let's execute it. It's loading, guys. It's loading. Good. So right now, when you look at this customer, these are the list of everybody in customers table. And the task that we are doing now is find all customers whose first name contains R. So when you look at this first name, you see Maria, John, George, Martin, Peter, Anna, Sam. And if you look at this thing very well, you will see that Maria contains R. John doesn't, George does, Martins does, Peter does, then Anna and Sam doesn't. So here it means that we are looking for how many names here? Maria, George, Martins and Peter. So let's go guys to execute it and see if we will get it right. So here we are looking for the names that contains everybody that their first name contains R. So let's go guys. Then you click shift and enter. Go to the next slide. There's something we call where clause in SQL. So as time goes on, you understand it. I will explain it better. So here we are looking for all the customers whose first name contains R. And as we can see here, we are looking for 4 customers because right here we have just 4 customers that their name contains R. So we use where clause. Where. And remember what we are using to solve this thing in SQL is called like operator. And we said that like operator searches for a pattern in a text. So the pattern is searching for is a first name that contains R. That is the pattern. So here we are using like operator. So let's go guys. You write where first name like, which is the like operator that we are using, like. Then remember we said percentage. What we said percentage is, we said percentage means when you put percentage, we are looking for a name that contains R. So we don't care what comes before the R and what comes before the R. We don't care what comes before the R and what comes after the R. Like this Maria, you can see that two letters came before the R and another two letters came after the R. So we don't care about what comes before and after. What we are after is there R in the name? So now let's go, guys. You write percentage. When you write percentage, you now put your R, the pattern that you are looking for, what you are looking for. Then you close it. You now put another percentage. This thing means that you don't care what comes before the R. You don't care what comes after the R, but you just want to see the names that contains R. Then you now close it with your single quote. Let's execute. Remember we said that we are looking for names, people whose first name contains R. And by looking at this customers table, we have discovered that when we execute this thing, we should be getting four names because it's only four names that contains R in this first name, which is Maria, George, Martins, and Peter. So let's go, guys. Then you execute. As you can see, we have four names here. When you look at this, you see Maria, George, Martin, and Peter. That means we are right. So as you can see, it's filtered other names. It removed the names that doesn't have R and gave us the four names that has R. So Maria 1, George 2, Peter 3, then Martin's 3, then Peter 4. So don't mind this numbering. I don't understand what is happening here. So there's no 2, then I'll put 5. So as you can see, when you count it, you see that we have four names. Maria has R, George, Martins, and Peter. So we are right, guys. So guys, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, follow our page. It will not take you anything to click on the follow button. Just click on the follow button, please, guys. Follow my page. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.